Model monitoring in machine learning. Model monitoring is the ongoing process of tracking how a deployed machine learning model behaves and performs in the real world, so you can quickly spot when something goes wrong.
A simple way to picture model monitoring is as a health dashboard for your model, similar to the heart rate and oxygen monitors in a hospital. Instead of vital signs, you watch metrics like accuracy, error rates, input distributions, and prediction patterns over time, so you can see immediately when the model starts behaving differently from what you saw during training.
Imagine a fraud detection model used by a bank. Model monitoring tracks how often it correctly flags fraud, how many false alarms it raises, and whether the pattern of transactions it sees has shifted compared with the training data. When that shift, also called distribution shift, becomes large, like in the separate video on data distribution shift, monitoring can trigger alerts, so engineers can retrain, recalibrate, or roll back the model before customers are impacted.
Model monitoring matters because once a model is deployed, the world around it keeps changing, and silent failures can be expensive, unsafe, or unfair if you do not notice them quickly. By continuously watching performance and behavior, teams can keep production models reliable, compliant, and aligned with business goals over time. Model monitoring in machine learning